In a world where reality and dreams intertwine, imagine possessing the power to command your dreams, to awaken within them, and embark on a journey beyond the physical realm. Welcome to the awe-inspiring universe of lucid dreaming and astral projection. A thrilling odyssey deep within human consciousness, an adventure that has been explored and chronicled across the annals of history. Within the domain of dreams there is a mysterious gateway to the subconscious mind. Here, the art of lucid dreaming, a skill as ancient as time, becomes a formidable psychological force. Recent breakthroughs reveal its staggering potential as a healing balm for the scars of post-traumatic stress disorder. By harnessing the brain's neuroplasticity in the veil of sleep, lucid dreamers reshape their minds, bringing solace to the tormented. The story deepens, a groundbreaking six-day odyssey that reshapes the lives of its travelers. Over 85% emerge from this dream journey liberated from the chains of PTSD. But the saga doesn't end here. Beyond the healing lies the spiritual voyage. In the lucid dream, adventurers dive into the abyss of their psyche, facing fears and unearthing profound insights into their being and the cosmos. And then, the astral projection, an ethereal escapade where consciousness defies physical boundaries, journeying to the mysterious astral plane. Some say astral projection is but a lucid dream, others claim it's a realm apart. Regardless, these experiences promise a transformation, a new lens through which to view life. Now brace yourself as we embark on this exhilarating expedition into the heart of lucid dreaming. The journey of a lifetime awaits. Lucid dreaming is a fascinating state of sleep, where the dreamer becomes aware that they are dreaming. In this unique state, not only does the dreamer realize they are in a dream, but they may also gain a degree of control over their actions within the dream, the environment, and the narrative. During a lucid dream, the prefrontal cortex of the brain, typically dormant during sleep, becomes active. This remarkable activation transcends mere observation of dreams, granting you the power to manipulate and control them, effectively making you the master of your own dream world. However, the significance of lucid dreaming extends beyond dream control. Its role in enhancing mental health is equally profound. Pioneering research has illuminated how lucid dreaming can be an invaluable tool for individuals grappling with post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD. When the prefrontal cortex becomes active while you're asleep, the brain's remarkable ability to change and adapt becomes active. This process is known as neuroplasticity, and it can aid in rewiring the brain, offering a potential pathway to alleviate the debilitating symptoms of PTSD. In a groundbreaking six-day program specifically designed to leverage the therapeutic benefits of lucid dreaming, a remarkable outcome was observed. Over 85% of the participants who had previously been diagnosed with PTSD experienced significant improvements. By the conclusion of this intensive study, these individuals were no longer classified as having PTSD, according to the diagnostic criteria. This striking success rate not only underscores the potential of lucid dreaming as a powerful tool in mental health treatment, but also highlights its transformative impact on individuals struggling with the profound challenges of PTSD. The program's innovative approach and its significant results mark a notable advancement in the field of therapeutic interventions for PTSD, offering new hope and possibilities for effective treatment. Lucid dreaming can also be a powerful tool for personal growth and self-discovery. It can allow you to confront your fears, practice skills, and explore your deepest desires and aspirations. It can provide you with a unique perspective on your own consciousness and the world around you. So, whether you're interested in exploring your own mind, overcoming personal obstacles, or just having some fun in a dream world of your creation, lucid dreaming has something to offer. And the best part, it's a skill that can be learned and developed with practice and patience. Grasping the immense power and potential of lucid dreaming leads us naturally to the next intriguing topic: how it can serve as a gateway to another captivating experience: astral projection. Lucid dreaming and astral projection are two different experiences, yet they share intriguing connections. While lucid dreams occur when we gain consciousness within our dreams, astral projection involves the conscious separation of our astral body from our physical one, often leading to experiences of traveling outside the physical body. Some believe that astral projection is a form of ultra-realistic lucid dream, but the experiences can feel quite different. The bridge between these two realms is not as far-fetched as it may seem. If you're already skilled in the art of lucid dreaming, you can use this ability as a springboard to astral projection. In the lucid state, you can perform astral projection methods within the dream itself. This approach leverages the flexibility of the dream state, where the usual laws of physics do not apply, and our creative potential is limitless. The nature of these experiences, whether they're objective or subjective, is a topic of ongoing debate. However, the transformative impact they can have on individuals is undeniable. They provide a fresh perspective, a new lens through which we can view our existence, our consciousness, and the universe at large. To transition from a lucid dream to an astral experience, you need to heighten your level of lucidity. This process involves stabilizing the dream, deepening your awareness, and setting the intention to astral project. It's a delicate balance, requiring patience and practice, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Now that we've seen how lucid dreams can act as a portal to astral projection, let's explore how you can achieve these experiences. Achieving lucid dreams and astral projection may seem challenging, but with practice and patience, it's within your reach. Let's delve into a step-by-step guide that can help unlock these experiences. First, start with keeping a dream diary. Documenting your dreams as soon as you wake up will help you recognize patterns and recurring symbols, thus improving your dream recall. This practice is essential in becoming more aware of your dream state, thereby facilitating lucidity. Next, perform reality checks throughout the day. These are simple tests to determine whether you're dreaming or awake. One common method is to write a letter on your hand and occasionally check if it's still there. In a dream, the letter may change or disappear, indicating that you're dreaming. Now let's move on to becoming lucid. This involves activating the prefrontal cortex during sleep, which allows you to become aware that you're dreaming. Techniques to induce lucidity vary, but they all hinge on the intention to recognize and control your dream state. Once you've achieved lucidity, you're ready to explore the world of astral projection. Start by visualizing your bedroom while in the dream state. This practice can help you transition from a lucid dream to an astral projection experience. Remember, lucid dreaming and astral projection are deeply interconnected. Some consider astral projection as a realistic lucid dream, offering a transformative and magical experience. These practices not only provide a different perspective on life, but also open doors to personal growth and spiritual exploration. Lastly, be patient. It may take time to have your first lucid dream or astral projection, but once achieved, it becomes easier in the future. Remember, the journey to lucid dreaming and astral projection is a personal one, filled with unique experiences and insights. Lucid dreaming and astral projection are effectively pathways to personal growth and spiritual exploration. These practices are like opening a door to a new realm, a world where your consciousness can roam freely, unbound by the physical constraints of reality. They allow you to tap into your subconscious mind, enabling you to explore your inner self and potentially the mysteries of the universe. As we've discussed, these practices can be beneficial for your mental health and personal growth. Groundbreaking studies have shown that lucid dreaming can even help alleviate symptoms of post-traumatic stress disorder, proving that these practices aren't just for spiritual exploration, but can be powerful tools for healing. But remember, like any skill, lucid dreaming and astral projection require practice and patience. It's a journey, not a destination. There might be times when you feel like you're not making any progress, but don't be discouraged. Every step you take, no matter how small, is a step towards mastering these powerful techniques. It's about the journey, not just the destination, so we encourage you to embark on this journey. Start keeping a dream diary, perform reality checks, and patiently work towards becoming lucid in your dreams. And who knows, you might soon find yourself transitioning from a lucid dream to an astral projection experience. And remember, it's not just about experiencing these phenomena, but understanding them. Explore the science behind them, the neuroscience of lucid dreaming, and the theories about astral projection. This will not only enhance your experiences, but also your understanding of your own mind. We invite you to share your experiences, thoughts, and questions in the comments. We'd love to hear about your journey, your successes, and the challenges you've faced. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more content on lucid dreaming, astral projection, and related topics. Until next time, sweet dreams and safe travels on your astral journeys.